How much should you actually spend on a car amplifier? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Taramps TS400X4. First up is the Taramps TS400X4, priced at just $49.95. The sleek design and compact size really caught my eye, but what truly impressed me was its power. If you want a solid amplifier without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This means you can easily power your speakers for clean and powerful sound. Plus, the fixed crossover ensures that your audio is crisp, whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks or soothing melodies. The LED indicator and short-circuit protection give you peace of mind, making it suitable for various car audio setups. With over 1,500 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many users are satisfied. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get high performance at a budget-friendly price. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it might be too small for some larger setups. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something compact without sacrificing sound quality, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a first-time car audio enthusiast on a budget. Skip this one if you're aiming for a high-end custom build. For the price, it delivers excellent value. Now, if the size of the Taramps TS400X4 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Boss Audio R1002. Next up is the Boss Audio R1002, available for just $34.99. What caught my attention here was its versatility. If you want a solid amplifier that won't empty your wallet, this is definitely worth a look. The R1002 delivers 200 watts of high output, making it stable for both 2 and 8 ohm systems. It supports a full range of frequencies, which is perfect if you plan on using it for both your speakers and subwoofers. With low and high-level inputs, you can connect it to just about any audio source. The Class AB topology ensures that you get great sound quality without too much distortion. With a rating of 3.9 stars from 1,700 reviews, many users appreciate its performance for the price. Here's why this matters for you. It's compact, powerful, and versatile, fitting into various setups without hassle. Now, some users mention that it can run a bit hot during extended use. Here's the thing though, if you plan to use it for shorter trips or casual listening, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable amplifier for a basic setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something for heavy-duty use. For the price, you really can't beat it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 3, Boss Audio R1004. Now let's talk about the Boss Audio R1004, priced at $48.99. The build quality really stands out and it comes loaded with features. If you're after great sound without a hefty price tag, this one is worth considering. The R1004 boasts 400 watts of power with 100 watts per channel at 2 ohms. The variable input gain control helps you adjust the signal, so you get just the right amount for your speakers. Plus, the Class AB design means you're getting quality sound with minimal distortion. With over 5,400 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you. It's powerful enough for most setups while still being affordable. That said, some people did complain about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're up for a little DIY, it's definitely manageable and worth the effort for the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a robust amplifier that can handle larger systems. Skip this one if you want something plug-and-play without any hassle. For the performance, it's a great value. Now, if you're seeking even more power for your setup, the next one has got you covered. Product number 4, Taramps DS440X4. Moving on to the Taramps DS440X4, which comes in at $89.99. Right off the bat, the power this amplifier provides is impressive. If you need something that can handle bigger setups and deliver quality sound, this is worth a serious look. The high-level input is a great addition, allowing you to connect it easily to your factory system. The fixed crossover and adjustable level control give you more flexibility in tuning your sound. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users are happy with the performance. Here's why this matters for you. More power means more clarity and depth in your audio experience. However, some buyers noted the weight as a downside, saying it felt a bit too heavy. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for serious performance, a little extra weight is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you're ready to upgrade from a basic setup to something more powerful. Skip this one if you're still unsure about your audio needs. For the quality and output, it's worth every penny. Now, if you want to really crank up the bass, the next one is a powerhouse. Product number 5, Taramp Smart 3 Bass. Finally, let's take a look at the Taramp Smart 3 Bass, priced at $236.75. This one is designed specifically for those who crave deep bass. If you want serious power for your subwoofers, this is the amplifier you need to check out. The Smart 3 Bass operates at 3,000 watts RMS and can handle multi-impedance from 0.5 to 2 ohms. That means you can really push your subwoofers to their limits, delivering heart-thumping bass that you can feel. It also includes a crossover and bass boost feature, letting you fine-tune your sound just the way you like it. With a 4.5-star rating from 419 reviews, it's a top choice for bass lovers. Here's why this matters for you. If you love bass-heavy music, this amp will deliver an experience like no other. However, some users mentioned it can be overkill for smaller setups. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your sound system and want the best, this is definitely worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you have a dedicated subwoofer system and want to maximize its performance. Skip this one if you're just looking for an amp for regular speakers. For bass enthusiasts, it's an incredible value. So to recap, we've got the budget-friendly Taramps TS400X4, the versatile Boss Audio R1002, the powerful Boss Audio R1004, the high-performance Taramps DS440X4, and the bass-focused Taramps Smart 3 Bass. Each of these amplifiers has its own strengths, so think about what you need most in your car audio setup. No matter your choice, you'll be boosting your sound experience in no time.